Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are unboxing and review the Amazon Roti mates. Let's see it if it's birth or hype. Right out of the box, the packaging is simple and eco-friendly. It feels sturdy and I love the vibrant colors. And this made claim to make rolling roti easier and mess free. Now let's take a closer look at the material. It's made from food grade silicone, which is the non-stick and BPA free. That's a big plus for healthy conscious cooks. I am excited to test how well it works. The mate features measurement printed on it, and which is perfect for getting those perfectly round rotis. Next, let's do a quick demo. I am rolling out the some dough, and wow, it glides smoothly, no sticky at all, and cleanup looks like it will be a breeze to just a quick rinse and it good to go. So is the Amazon Roti mate worth it if you make roti regularly? This could be a game changer for you. It's convenient, easy to clean, and make the process much more easier. So guys, overall I am really impressed with this silicone roti mate baking mate from Amazon. It's made by baking experience so much smoother and more enjoyable. If you are in the market for a new baking mate, I highly recommended giving this one a try. That is for today's review. Let me know in the comment if you have tried this roti mate or if you have any other recommendation. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. Whether you have been following me from the beginnings or just recently discover my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for a way to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comments are incredible valuable to me, so please keep them coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share it with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for your support. It means more than word can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that bringing joy and inspiration to your life. Bye, take care guys.